So welcome back to Schrager Homestead. So today we wanted to kind of do a follow-up to the video we released last Saturday about us quitting YouTube. So first let me tell you guys that we filmed that in November and we kind of were on the fence about releasing it, but we thought, you know, it was a moment in time, and so we shouldn't shy away from how we felt on that point, up to that point. Even if it was a couple months ago, we feel like we
continued to feel that way, though. It's not like it was a one-time deal either.
We have. But we wanted to share that just because it was, I mean, it was a point in time that we were actually honestly kind of quitting, and you know, we go back and forth day to day on whether we really want to do this because of the time it takes to do it, and kind of the, I don't know if you want to call it the payback or whatever else, but
it's about time, usually for us. It's just about the time.
So following up to that, what we want to say to you guys is that, well, I don't even know if I want to speak for you, but I'm going to say this. I had no idea you guys were so passionate about the information we put out and document. I thought there would be a couple people like, yay, darn, you guys are going to leave, too bad, leave your information, we'll see you later.
That is kind of what we thought.
And honestly, I think as of today, it's been up a couple days and it's like 500 views and 50 comments or something, or 30 comments, I can't remember, but it's a lot. It's a lot for us. And I will say I was taken aback by that in the first day, it's like you guys almost pulled a revolt and said, heck no, you're not leaving. I know we complain a lot about the big channels and the content they put out, and we try to be different from that. And what you guys have shown us is that you recognize that we actually walk the walk. We do live the lifestyle we lead. We don't really show you any baloney drama, and that's what you guys like. And that's good, because it's really easy for us to show you real life than to manufacture drama of, I don't know, whatever happens, it's real. So I guess thanks. I'll say thanks.
Yeah, I thank you for the support and for showing us that this maybe hasn't been a huge waste of time. You know, it's hard to go online and put yourself out there and take time to do this stuff because, you know, as you guys see, we're really busy. Really busy. This is our downtime. If you've noticed, our video numbers have upticked here lately because we have time right now. Here in 2 months, 3 months, you might be lucky to catch us once every couple of weeks again, and it's just kind of the way it is. And we had felt like when we aren't putting out the videos that, you know, we watch the numbers and we lose subscribers and we think, okay, well, people aren't that invested, so if we just give up, it's not a big deal. And what you guys have told us is that's not true. The number of people that said, hey, we totally get it. If you want to put out a video once a week, once a month, once a quarter, we're here for you. And that has been like so
nice,
so humbling. I think so humbling to think that y'all care enough to hang out with us and listen to what we have to say. And at least for the immediate, we don't have any plans to go anywhere. Like we did say, you know, here in a couple months, the videos may go to practically nothing. Doesn't mean it will go to completely nothing, but right now we're trying to do 2 videos a week. How long we can keep that pace, it's hard to say. Once I start showing rabbits and the garden's going and baby goats are being born, we just lose track of the time. We just don't have time for it. But we've seen a lot of people who have mentioned maybe we just need to do some more little vlog type stuff, which is kind of what we do in our update videos. So maybe we'll just keep trying to do that during the busy, crazy, pulling our hair out and pulling baby goats and everything else kind of time. And I don't know.
Yeah.
There you have it.
Yeah. I guess one other thing I want to touch on is a couple of people have said, you know, can you cut your videos down? Maybe you should cut them down to, you know, where everybody's attention span is at 3 minutes before they want to leave. And really, honestly, we only keep in there what we think is necessary. And if we have a 20-minute video on explaining something or doing something else, we really feel like it needs to be a 20-minute story. I'll let you in on a secret. Some of these channels that lead you on for 45 minutes just leading with baloney, I'll tell you the secret they do it is because they can get more ads in and make more money on it.
Yeah, and that's not really where we're at. If you get a 20-minute video, I know some of my rabbit videos are long. If you've noticed, we have a lot of them, and that's because I've tried to cut it down into segments as much as possible. We're not here for the money. We had quite a few comments about how to grow our subscriber numbers, and I think maybe what we were trying to say in that video got lost a little bit. It's not about so much worried about subscriber numbers, or, I mean, we're realistic. This YouTube is not going to make an income for us, not really. I mean, we're happy it can pay for a bag of feed here and there, but it was really about teaching. And if you guys are still getting value out of this, then that's what we're going to keep doing. But we're also going to keep making videos that are 7, 8, 9, 10, 25 minutes if we think the subject matter requires it. I mean,
Yeah.
we just are. I know personally I'm not big on a part 2 video unless the first part was like 25 minutes, you know. So while we appreciate everybody's opinions and suggestions, and we will try and take some of that to heart, I think we're really just going to keep on doing videos the way we want to do them, and I guess continue the channel the way we wanted the channel to be. And it's really about teaching and helping out where we can. So we've been trying to make more and more videos answering questions, because a lot of people ask us questions. Can you make a video about this, that, or the other thing? I've got a lot of those in the works. If you have others that you want to see, always just drop us a message and say, hey, can you make a video about whatever? If we can, we'll tell you that we're going to try and do that. If we can't, we'll tell you that too, because I've had some people ask me about colony raising rabbits and different stuff, and we don't have any experience there. So can I? No, I don't think that'd be fair to... I don't BS, so I'm not gonna snow you into thinking that I know something and that I don't. You know, I can tell you what I know from other people, but I'm not gonna make a video about other people's opinions. It's not really my cup of tea, but...
I'll just say thanks. I mean, I've been doing YouTube for like 9 years, so I mean, some of the suggestions I know people give, they're not going to be valid, and I'm just going to tell you, your opinions are not going to be valid for us and the why that we do this. I understand the business side of YouTube, and I don't ever share it with people because honestly, we don't do this on either channel for the money. It's never been about the money. This is not a career. This is like to pay for a couple bags of feed or some new car parts or something. That's about it. That's the only reason we do this. We spend the time. It's never profitable. I'll tell you that. Unless you are a monstrous channel, it is not profitable. We are homesteaders at YouTube. We are not YouTubers at Homestead. And there is a huge, as several people pointed out, there's getting to be a pretty marked difference between the channels that do and the channels that do for the camera. And we hope everybody out there watching knows that we are not the kind to do for the camera anything that we don't actually do in our day-to-day regular lives. Yep. So with that, guys, we'll let you go. We'll cut this under 10 minutes. Yes, under 10 minutes. I know. Sometimes it's the best you're going to get at us. Yeah, exactly. This is our version of keeping short, saying we are still humbled that you guys want to hang out with us. We do appreciate your comments. In the future, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Feel free to comment. If you want help on anything, you want to collab, if you want to do a Q&A, I mean, anything, we are here. We will do our best to make sure you guys are successful in homesteading. That's it. We're out. See you later. Happy homesteading. See you next time.